What's up, people?
Hey! So I'm Paul,
I'm Cinnamon.
and we are Focused on the Road.
Focused on the Road.
That's our YouTube name. Today we went to Seattle. We braved the snow. It's like snowpocalypse outside. I wish I could show you some amazing video, but so we went to the Seattle show, RV show today, and we traveled through maybe what would you say, like 7 or 8. We videoed probably 6 total. And we're going to show you those here in a couple seconds. Fifth wheels. Just fifth wheels only. There was a lot of really cool things there, but we just stuck with the fifth wheels. So we're excited to show you, and just give us some good feedback, and please subscribe to our show. It'll help everybody else find it.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, there you go. Bye. This is definitely my favorite. I love this little tray that moves in and out. If I can't even see it. Yeah, super cool. You can probably add this to a lot of things, but
yeah, I wonder if you can just add it to any model.
Yeah, anything with like a big storage, you could just add this huge, like the. But I do like all the different little storage. Okay, so this is a, what is this one? This is the Montana 3790 RD. Very similar price. 20th anniversary edition. Sheesh.
Alright, thank you very much.
I don't even know. Yeah. That's a lot of information right there.
This is 3790 RD.
Yeah. I like that the awning is out here and not, there's no slide covering the awning.
Rear den
But this is.
with rear pull-out storage.
Oh, nice. But you could probably add that to this too, like have a tray right here that slides out to make it easier. I don't know. It'd be very expensive though. Oh. It's a little flaw in the system. There's like a little scratch mark from it hitting right here.
From what?
From this hitting the edge right here, and it scraped the material. This is like not leather, it's like a...
Yeah, it's a weird material.
Yeah.
It's almost like a waxy canvas.
Yeah. It does have like the power seats and heat, massage, all that stuff. 2 big couches. Should be kind of cool to take these out and put our desks.
I feel like we should leave one. Because I don't know that I'm always going to want to sit in a chair.
Yeah.
I might want to kick it on a couch.
Kick it on the couch.
And then puppies can't sit with us if we're on these chairs.
Oh, good point. I like this is how it's like the TV
it's
pops
cool.
up. But if you don't want it, if we're like in,
right.
you know,
you can see outside.
Yeah, if we're like in Alaska and you want to see like the actual surrounding besides it's a big TV in the way. Yeah, it looks pretty slick. I like the long heater.
Yeah, fireplace.
Lots of storage in here. Oh yeah.
Got the kind of stove you want.
Yeah.
With nothing on the sides.
That is nice. I like that. So there's another big slide that comes out. It really wouldn't disturb much because that would still be able to open, I think, right? If this was closed.
Yep.
At least one side. You could access one side. You could still probably cook. It'd be kind of weird, but I like that little touch with the LED underneath. Not a lot of... Nice. Deep storage area. Little coat closet. Cool. Bathroom doesn't come through though. Like the other one.
Yeah, I like the other bathroom better. Bigger.
Yeah. What's that all about?
Just a closet.
Oh, cool. It's real nice in there.
Yeah.
Light. There we go. Nope. Oh, there we go. It's already broken.
It's nice with the...
Yeah, a little shoe rack.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. Laundry hamper. Oh, cool.
Huh. Seems like a lot of space for just that.
Yeah, but it keeps everything like
together.
Smells contained, you know. There's your extra chairs.
There they are.
It's a big closet for a washer and dryer.
Yeah.
I feel like it's really
So you
large.
can hang
Yeah, all the
there.
stuff, bins of stuff or whatever. Yeah. Is it king size?
Yep.
I cut myself. Anyway, my hands all. I got like band-aids all over my hand. A mess.
Falling down.
Yeah. Okay. So this is definitely
Find an elevated kitchen.
a contender because it's got huge storage up front, spot for a generator. Yeah. Spot for the generator. What we might do is put a welder in the back of the truck. It's also doubles as a generator, and we won't need that space.
Have a kitchen up.
Huh. No kitchen ups? What was it called? Ford kitchen? So this is,
Bed.
yeah. I like this one. 3790RD. Weird Den, is that what it means?
Maybe, yeah.